Greeting to all, or African, Asian, that living worldwide. I take the opportunity to record in this message today for your safety. If you decide to travel to Haiti, Haiti today, right now, is not safe to travel to Haiti. Since your government is a puppet, since your government don't give a damn about your safety, I don't have to be in Haiti to know what's going on in Haiti. I follow with the true history, the true facts, what's going on in Haiti. I have people that in the ground that know what's going on with the kidnapping in Haiti. I have a message, a short message for all of our family that live in worldwide, including the motherland and Africa. Please, even if it's an emergency, right now, still your president, Moise, and with his group, his leader, decide to put safety and security in the continent, do not travel to Haiti. Right now, Haiti is in a high crime of kidnapping people. It's not just some of people that travel from outside the United States or abroad, including the local citizen that living in Haiti affected today. This is not a fake news. This is the reality. This is daily crime that happen in Haiti every day, every corner, with gangster, including your police that work with these folks to kidnapping your local family member, to kidnapping you when you travel to Haiti, and asking for thousands, even $500,000 in US to free you when they kidnap you. If your family not able to give that money, you will be killed. You will be raped. It doesn't matter if he's a child. It doesn't matter if he's a young lady, if he's an elder. It doesn't matter if you are middle age. It doesn't matter if you are a man, including men. This is what's going on right now in Haiti. The police in the same gangs, the government in the same gangs. So you don't have no safety when you're in Haiti.